In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HoneyBook for beginners, step by step 2026. First, open your web browser and go to honeybook.com. This is where everything starts. If you're on a new device, make sure you're on the official site and that the connection is secure. Next, log into your HoneyBook account. Enter your credentials, and if you're prompted with any security verification, go ahead and complete it so your account stays protected. In just a moment, you'll be taken into your workspace. After you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. Think of this as your command center. You'll typically see an overview of recent activity, upcoming events, and any items that might need your attention. It's a quick way to understand what's happening in your business today without digging around. On the left side, you'll see the main navigation bar. This is your map to every major area in HoneyBook. Hovering over the icons will show you their names, and clicking each one opens a dedicated workspace for that part of your client flow. Keep this sidebar in mind. It's how you'll move quickly between tasks. Take a moment to explore the navigation available. Open each section and notice what lives there. Familiarity will save you time later, and HoneyBook is designed so you won't break anything by looking around. Now, click Leads. Leads are new inquiries and potential clients who haven't booked yet. Here, you can track where each inquiry is in your process, add notes, and respond quickly. Use this area to qualify clients, send initial messages, and, when they're ready, move them forward. Click Project. Projects are for active client work. Inside a project, you can manage everything in one place: messages, proposals, invoices, contracts, and files. You'll also see a timeline of activity, making it easy to keep communication organized and payments on track. Click Calendar. This shows all your bookings, meetings, and deadlines at a glance. You can switch between views, color code by project or service, and spot conflicts early. From here, scheduling and rescheduling become much easier. Click Services. Services are the packages or offerings you sell. Define what's included, add descriptions and pricing, and standardize what you send to clients. Having these set up speeds up proposals and helps keep your branding consistent. And more. As you get comfortable, you'll notice additional areas like templates, files, automations, and reports that deepen your workflow. For now, focus on the essentials: your dashboard, the left navigation, and the flow from leads to projects to calendar to services. That's the foundation. Practice moving through these areas, and you'll be ready to manage clients smoothly in HoneyBook.